G'day and welcome back to Unimig. The latest addition to the VIPER range, the Multi 165 is perfect for those looking for great performance without breaking the bank. Not every inverter is made equal. With Unimig's ever-evolving state-of-the-art IGBT inverter technology, you get better performance, better efficiency and better reliability. Get rid of the guesswork. Simply select the wire size and wire type, then adjust your amperage to suit your workpiece, and you're ready to weld. It is capable of gas and gasless Mig. Can easily run mild steel, flux cord, stainless or aluminium. Get all three welding modes in one. This 3-in-1 multi-process machine can MIG, TIG and stick weld. Plug in and play. The 10-amp plug can be used on any domestic outlet, so it's perfect for the DIY home handyman or the professional welder looking to take it anywhere. Which brings us to its weight. It's lightweight and portable, weighing just 9.8 kilos, so you can take this machine with you anywhere. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check out this machine in stores now.